know, man, but sometimes my anxiety take me over.
Don't make your anxiety take over, man. You see it?
Guys, sports up and send me the art music. Guys, want
Chat beg us some tabs, please.
You're big, you know, Jayden.
What do you mean by that?
You're big. And sometimes you come for your big platform, it's like you really see me now, so me I say me in front of much people, or me I go hack.
Yeah, come back so no blood clot know your turn already.
But me just want to be of myself sometime. You know, me don't want to get carried away and make Shay go cuss me, say me too enough. So me I try to be of myself.
So you tell me say you're afraid of Shay?
No. But me don't want to worry Shay every day. And Shay hate me more than nobody else. Me I try to be of myself.
But listen Keke. Shay not your friend, you know?
Yeah, me understand.
Oh, some of the time we just want easy some of the time.
Yeah, me just want easy some of the time.
Guys, send me some donuts. I have company live go.
See what's there still?
Send me some donuts.
So what me fi do with what's now?
I think you guys can be friends, you know?
What's do you want to be my friend?
Let's see.
Okay.
Guys, sports up.
Anything to say, Jay?
Huh?
Anything to
Guys,
say?
Saji, my birthday is next week. I'm a Saji guy, Sagittarius.
So where do you your birthday?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
Yeah. So many things to do.
So you smile, sir.
So you don't want to smile at some still.
No.
Up a bit.
No, me not so.
Don't ask with me, alright, so what go on now? New people.
So what's it, alright?
Who not about? Come and laugh.
Watch out, me get you overboard.
So what's it, alright, what's?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You?
So I'm okay, darling. You're looking very wonderful, you know?
Thank you. Guys, who not say that? Why? Me don't know. Oh,
What am I say? What am I say?
me don't want to say.
Talk, man.
We don't really come with a base clear car.
So I'm taking Keke, you good? Shay, you good?
Drama.
You sure, darling?
Much of a laugh at me. Guys, I just want to stay.
So Keke, you have a gaming chair, right?
No.
Just stop saying.
Oh.
Polite.
I feel like I want to buy was a gaming chair, you know?
No problem. Why you think you need to buy her one?
Because she just came on TikTok and she needs one.
Okay, very nice. So she will be your new student.
Yes.
I hope she pass, you know.
Yeah, she already passed already.
In which way?
Every type of way.
So she got you bring down already?
Yeah, of course.
When? When?
Me I feel a potential. Let me tell you.
No, I know say go teach, I know say you raise we.
You can't tell me how to teach.
You're not going to give nobody no better treatment over here, so.
Oh wait, so hold on, you tell me how to teach?
Yes, if you give me maths and English and social studies, she forget it too. No can give her maths alone. Oh, that's my bad man, he chipping.
I'm Keke. There's two different class, darling.
No. I say you want she just go and just get tackled like that and worrying at this. Oh. Work.
No, I Pastor Kelly. No, do me.
Guys, you
just silence
feet.
No.
So you just silence.
Talk up, you know.
Eh? Where's it?
Guys, you know, think she for work feet like me. Really? If you don't face Rosealee, you know, you can't pass, you know. And you have to face Rosealee. You're happy. You're happy. Yes, if I want to face Rosealee, you win. You're happy pass Rosealee.
So Was, are you sure? Was, are you sure you want to do TikTok, darling?
Yes. This is my teacher that I know. Cause
No,
sometimes
me just ask you because remember you have Rosealee, you have everybody is it. So you have to, you know.
What about them?
And plus you take your man. So yes it.
My man.
No, you all right.
ex.
We are go too far now. We are go too far.
Yeah,
Sorry.
really far.
Yeah, calm it down a little bit.
Then
Calm it
I
down.
you that remember say you used to cuss me say be a old man me take Remember that so
Yeah.
they'll
No, we
forget
don't want to go in all pa now. We don't
No,
want
you
to
didn't
go
go
in all
in
pa now.
for me. So why preference and better treatment no for teacher. Teacher
No, we don't want to
Jayden.
go into all pa now, darling. No, we don't want
You
to go
didn't
into
go
all pa.
hard for me.
Period, guys.
Guys, why not think? Wanna think?
So what's a curry you cook today, don't?
Yeah.
Cause Jayden I want like him at this nice muddy and you're hypocrite,
Who are
You
hypocrite?
need to why you get good treatment and me go through there. Me cause she just come and when she just come, you just want to be nice with her. You tell the people them want me take all man, they not give me nothing. And me take care about from you, I take it days and nights. She forget fear too.
What?
Fear is fear. If she want to come do this, she have to take care about too. You're not going to treat nobody better than none. You not agree with me, chat? Wanna
Yeah.
think? This is real TikTok. And I saw you grow away. Because an idea, this attitude that she have right now as a student, go nowhere, You need more vibes and energy.
I think it's a valid point. Is it? That me cannot agree with her. What's read your comment? Me cannot agree with her, is it? Me agree with her.
You need
So
to
Shay, what you think, Shay?
With what?
With the whole situation we're going right now with Keke and so.
Me never listen to she.
Why you not listen? Jesus Christ, no sir. Father God, what is for me, Father God?
I'm gone,